Good morning. Today is 23rd May and I'm studying this charts of Nifty and Bank Nifty pre-market. As per our analysis, priorly we had noticed that Nifty had turned bearish that time and BN was stronger. But let us see what is happening in both of these indices now. Nifty right from the top made on 15th May, then there was a lower low, lower high, lower low pattern. But what has happened currently is we have broken above the previous high. The high which was made on 18th May is we are currently trading comfortably above it. So now the bearish bias for the Nifty for now is null and void. We cannot be bearish unless and until this low, the low of 22nd May, the low is 18,250. If it is breaking comfortably from on the downside, then and then only we can think of a shorting opportunity or the bearish bias for the Nifty. In case of Bank Nifty, which was the stronger index by now, and this is the hourly chart. So the top which is made on 15th May, we saw a decline, but it never crossed the previous lower low. Again it made a lower high, but again it didn't cross the previous lows. And currently Bank Nifty, we can even mark it is forming a triangle. So a good kind of consolidation is evident in case of Bank Nifty. So now how the stance would be, we need to wait and watch till the time this triangle or this consolidation is breaking on the either side, either upside or downside, then we can expect a good momentum. At the same time, Nifty should comfortably be trading above this 300 zone or below 250 zone. So this zone we can mark. So let us mark this zone and observe that what is Nifty doing, whether it is breaking above this 335 level or breaking below 250 level. So these are the consolidation areas which are marked on Nifty and Bank Nifty, and current stance is wait and watch to see at what side it breaks. There is another way to look at it by using CPR. So firstly let us see CPR for Nifty. If we see the CPR for Nifty, this blue is daily pivot, daily CPR, and this red one is weekly CPR. In case of Nifty, we are comfortably above both these CPRs. So we can expect the bullish bias for in case of Nifty as we are trading above both the CPRs. But in case of Bank Nifty, let us see what is CPR saying. In case of Bank Nifty, let me just we are currently stuck in the CPR. So this blue one is daily CPR and red one is weekly CPR. We are stuck right in the CPR zone, and that is why the consolidation view stands true in case of Bank Nifty. We can expect some more consolidation in case of Bank Nifty. Okay, but we have to keep it in mind that Nifty is still stronger this time and we are trading above CPR. So unless and until we are below this weekly CPR, below this daily CPR, then and then only we can think of some shorting side. So for now, to conclude everything, let us wait and watch and see what level it breaks. Thank you.